Hi children, a very good morning to all. By yesterday we finished our worksheet 1. Today we are going to write our worksheet 2. Now take out your books and let's start our revision in your homework book. Right? Let's start our revision. Let us start our revision. Worksheet 2, revision 2. Right? Underline the nouns in these sentences. So what you have to do is I have given some sentences. In that sentences you have to underline nouns in the sentence. Children, you know very well what is a noun. Nouns are naming words, names of persons, places, animals and things, right? So in this sentence, what is a noun? Whether it is a thing, a place, an animal, that you have to underline. First one, Ludo, chess and carom are indoor games. Second one, sparrows, pigeons, eagles and crows are birds. Third one, the bowl has apples, oranges and mangoes. Apple, oranges and mangoes. Fourth one, the girls were walking back from the library. Fifth one, turnips and potatoes grow under the ground. So in this, what is a noun that you have to underline, right? Roman number 2. Write 3 nouns that you can make from each word. So here I have given some words. For that words, you have to write 3 nouns again, 3 words. From this word only, you have to write 3 words. Right? 3 noun words you have to write. First one is G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Right? Here you have to write 3 nouns. From this word only, children, you have to write from the given word only. You have to write 3 nouns. You have to make 3 nouns and you have to write fill in the blank. Second one, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Right? 3 blanks again. You have to write I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T, instrument. Fourth, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Fifth one, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Right, children? From the given word only, you have to write 3 nouns in the given blank. Third one, Roman 3. Circle the special names and rewrite the sentences. Here, I have given a sentence. In that you have to circle. You have to circle the special name and you have to rewrite the sentence. What are special names? You know very well, children. Special names are nothing but proper nouns. All proper nouns starts with a capital letter. All proper nouns start with capital letters. So, capital letters and proper nouns are special names given to a person, place, animals or things. Right? So here don't get confused. Common nouns are commonly we use like cat. Cat is common noun. When it comes to proper noun, name of a cat, like in our lesson, Bella is cat. Cat's name, that is proper noun. That is a proper noun. Example, girl. Girl is common noun. Sneha is proper noun because it is name of a special person. So it is proper noun. Every proper noun starts with capital letters. Let us see our sentence. Ishan has written a wonderful poem. So here in the sentence, what is a special name? You have to circle and you have to rewrite the sentence. Second one, Bhutan and Nepal are India's neighbors. Third one,
Goa is not very far from Mangalore. Fourth one, Mala's pet rabbit. Chinu loves carrots. Fifth, Rahul's cousin Kavita made idlis for him. So children, once again I am repeating, special names are proper nouns. Special names are proper nouns. Proper nouns are names given to a special person, a person specific, specially given to that person, or proper nouns, right? So don't get confused. Read the textbook thoroughly, then only if you have properly answered for these worksheets, you will definitely able to write your exam very well. You will definitely going to write your exam very well. Let us see fourth, Roman 4. Write a proper noun for each common noun. As I told you, proper noun starts with a capital letter. Always remember these points. Then you can easily identify what is a proper noun and what is a common noun. Right? Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. And common noun, it won't starts with a capital letter. In generally we write. Right? See, here observe. This is school. First one is school. Is it starts with a capital letter or small letter? All the words, observe this. School, S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Here, school is common noun. For this, you have to write a proper noun for this in the given blank. City. City is common. Commonly we use for every city, we use city. Here you have to write a proper name of a city in the blank. Road. We have many roads. You have to write here road is common noun. You have to write a particular name of a road. Cat. You know this very well. Book. It is book. Book. You have to write the name of a book here. Mouse. Here mouse is a common noun. You have to write name for that mouse. Girl. Newspaper. Biscuit. Right? Here write the plurals of these words. Here I have given some words. For that words you have to write plurals. So here I have given some words. For that words you have to write plurals. Right? You have to write plurals. Here first one is C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Here the last is Y. So I have told you some rules for these plurals. What are those? If the end of the Y is there in the word, Y drops to, normally for singular we use only one. We use one. Plural means more than one, right? Singular is one and plural is more than one. In general we use yes. By adding S we make it as plural, right? We make it as plural. For example, boy, boys, girl, girls. Like that, plurals. This is Y. Here, Y changes to I. Y changes to I. You have to add ES. At the end of the word, you have to add ES. Y changes to I. You have to add ES to the words. If it is F or F-E in the last, F or F-E, observe this spelling, F-E, F. If it is F or F-E, if it is F or F-E, F changes to V, and again you have to add ES. That means VES. If the word is having F or F-E, F-E changes to V. Again to make it plural, you have to add ES. W-O-L-F, wolf. Here also it is F. So F changes to what? V. Very good. V. And you have to add yes. You have to add ES to the words. This is L-E-A-F, leaf. SCARF, scarf. WIFE, wife. THIEF, thief. So remember all these points, children. Then you can able to answer for these plurals. So remember all these points. Once open your textbook and read all these things, then you can able to answer for these all the questions. Now Roman 6, write plural of these words. So here also again it is plural. I told you there are some plurals which they won't change whether it is singular or a plural. Whether it is a singular or a plural, it remains the same. Sheep, fish, deer, means, offspring, all these remains same. That means fish, fish, means, offspring, offspring, like that. 7th Roman, complete the sentences with the right plural. Here in the brackets I have given singular form. You have to make it at plural and you have to fill in the blank. First one, the dash in brackets girl are happy because they have got new in brackets toy. The girls are happy because they have got new toy. Children, remember one point. Remember one thing. While if you are writing these sentences, read the sentence properly. Read the sentence properly. Then you can easily able to answer for these questions. If you read thoroughly, then you can able to answer with the help of these words, right? She is in 10 dash PHOTO, photo. Third one, these are your KEY, key. I have many WISH, wish for Christmas. Tony is 2 YEAR, year, OLD, old. 6th, my dash GLASS, glass for the sun. Right, children? So this is all about your worksheet 2. Remember all these points. Once go through the textbook, read your books, read your classwork, worksheets, question answers, textbook, grammar part. Then you can able to answer all the questions.